Alright guys, here's how I made $8,000 trading XAU USD last week. Off the bat here, you're going to see that we have a lot of buildup of accumulation in this area, meaning there's a lot of buyers and there's a lot of sellers trying to drive price, and the institutions have not decided to get into price yet. So that gives us time here to look for an entry and not get trapped like these people here. Now, off the bat here, using my strategy, I found a higher time frame narrative and a fundamental narrative to take an entry in around this area, which fit my trading style and my trading plan. So off the bat there, I had this zone marked up, and I also really liked how all these lows could be swept in order to reach to my zone, which made it a very, very nice zone to take buys off of. Now going on with that, I went into lower time frames, dissected price, found a very good area to put a limit, and off there, place my limit and let God do the rest. Now as we go here, we're going to see that price did continue, boom, massive volume. And this is an example why limit orders are so important, guys, because if you were behind the charts watching this and you see this big bearish candle come right into your zone, you would hesitate, you'd be afraid, you would say, oh, price is going to continue bearish. And as we continue, boom, I'm tagged in and I'm in the trade, and bam, TP hit. Now, this is where it gets interesting. A lot of you can say that I did get stopped out here, which is not wrong. I should have gone stopped. But in this case, so much volume came down to the downside that the slippage allowed me to get a better position and for some reason not stop me out. So in this case, it benefited me. Now, in terms of my TP, usually I like to aim for 4 to 5R for my positions, but I didn't want to let greed get me here because I knew that this high is right now the all-time high in gold, and me thinking that this high could be taken right now is very selfish of me. I'm just going to go with what the market's telling me, and in this case I wanted to get out nice and safely, and if this high was to be taken out, then I would look for another entry tomorrow night and get a safer entry and aim for a higher R trade. So in this case, this benefited me, and this just shows you guys, you need to trade with limit orders, and you need to take the greed out of you and trade with what you see, and after that everything will go as planned. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. On to the next.